So in the Zongo communities in Ghana, we have some different types of drinks that we drink in the afternoon or in the evening, and this is one of them. It's called Brukina. So it's milk and millet. Yeah, it's a Muslim food, very hygienic, nutritious, and you need to try this. Definitely try this. So, change, anyway, change, cheese. Yeah, how about that? Yeah. Okay. Is it? Oh, sorry, kill her.
This is amazing.
Hey, Abua.
Hey, come on, swing it. Yeah. Feel that groove now.
It's a obi nimna so ye no raw side I say no. Embe.
Ebe ti se koko.
Ebe ti koko.
Yeah.
Hello brothers, sisters, how you do? It is your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. And before we start, if this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so be notified when a new video drops. Follow us on Facebook as well. I'm still Sunyani, yeah? It's night already and you can see I'm sweating. Almost 11 p.m. Yeah, and I'm here with sister Kubira, yeah? And she knows how to do Brukina. Yeah, so okay, let's do this. Yeah, so this is millet and what has been added here.
I sit my that's what you wait. People say, who no say, me do we, me do
So this is our milk powder, yeah, needle. Now this is what they use to do the Brukina. Yeah, so we are making Brukina and we need to do this. What do you call it? Do the milk and put it down. Tomorrow we'll be able to add in the DEGUE. So this is the process, and she has this metal thing. What already said I was rolling from.
Ebe se aba. We no endorse on it.
Yeah, okay.
We are nani na the aba na say.
Yeah, it's insane. Okay. Yeah, so this is milk powder, which is needle. Yeah, in Ghana we call it milk needle, and water was added to mix. And we have what do you call it? Our millet over here as well. So basically this. So we'll be grinding this tomorrow in the machine, and yeah. It's except fermenting now. When we see what I said fermenting.
Aye, ebe mu be
do. So one you know, one man ain't see what then.
To me, ebe say ice cream.
We indirect ebe say no. Oh, okay.
Nti so na you know.
Okay. So this is hot water. So you add hot water to the mixed what do you call needle or the powder milk. One thing is you can't do this Brukina, what do you call it, in a day. Yeah, you first need to mix the milk, put it down so that it will ferment. So in the next day you're able to use it. So when you try to do everything in the fatter spot, so to be like an ice cream and yogurt, normal yogurt, yeah. Yeah, so they have an alternative yogurt that you can use, but since that one is not available, they're using our normal yogurt that you know, yeah. So this is normal yogurt and mixing. Now, next you say so then can one. Okay. Oh, really? So we're done with our mixing of what do you call it? The milk, and it will be like this. It will be kept for overnight. Let me say overnight. Yeah, so about 6-7 hours, and that's when you can use it.
So what I need you now? This how the bed sheet say kata for send a bear heat.
I see. So
we me fancy was say me the bed sheet.
She's just saying that after doing this, you need to wrap it. Like you need to keep it warm. You can't just keep it like that. So you need to wrap it so that we need heat temperature inside. And right now she's about to wrap it with cloth so that the inside will be warm. Yeah. Okay. done with our milk till tomorrow. Yeah, brothers, how y'all doing? So this is day 2 of making the Brukina. Yeah. So yesterday we did the mixing of the milk, and now we allowed it to ferment. So today we're about to do the millet version, and we add everything to it. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay, so this is our grounded millet, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so it was soaked yesterday, and today we grounded it. Yeah. So we're about to mix our millet. And, we have our mom over here, yeah, the queen expert of making Brukina. So a bit of water has been added to the grounded millet. No. I had your fatty. So I had your fatty. She's helping us do the Brukina. She's doing the mixing of the millets, yeah. So we have our cassava flour over here, and we are about to mix it to seal with something. So this cassava flour, mix it with water. Yeah, so this is Brukina. So if you know Brukina, you see that, you notice that there's those particles inside here. That particle is made of millet, and this is what our mom is doing. Haja Fati is doing. Haja Fati Abbas. Yeah, Buddha. Haja this have been better. Yeah. So over here we have that wedding. Yes. Okay, so we have hot water on fire, and I'm told that they need to sieve something with the corn flour. I didn't tell you.
Nese na be am framano.
Enko inside.
They be gu enu so. Na heat no na be ma na abin.
Until you say heat in framako inside. Wow. Man, this is interesting. She's sealing the holes around the pot, and we don't want any air to enter. Yeah, we don't want any air to enter inside because the millet will be going inside, and we need the heat to cook it. Yeah. So she's sealing all the holes around the pot. Man, this is interesting. It is obi nimna so in the raw side I say no. Embe. Cocoa. Oh, okay. And that the whole place is being sealed. We say particles. Okay. So you'll be rolling until you get small particles inside and yeah, so as you can see, all the thing is dried up, and now we're about to sieve our millet, yeah? And this is how it's been done. So we have the sieve on top of the hot water, and mommy will be spreading it around, yeah? And this is interesting. Really interesting. So meaning if you don't know how to do Brukina, please don't try it, because if not, everything will turn out to be a porridge, because you have to sieve everything, no air should penetrate. Yeah, so we are using this snack pin to cover it up, and as you can see, the heat is turning everything around. So we just need the air to be inside. Just like yesterday, how we wrapped the milk with cloth. Yeah. So it's been like 7 minutes since we covered our millet with the neck pin, yeah, and this is how you see, so from cream to brown, yeah, brownish color, and this is how it looks like. When you can smell the aroma coming out, and wow, now this is interesting. Okay, so we cover it again, and the whole thing needs to be brown. You stir like making jollof or rice, yeah, then you cover it again. Yeah, so this is our milk, the one that we did yesterday evening, and now see how dense and thick it looks like, yeah? It's a fermented, right? So now it's now fermented. Not very light, yeah. So it has now fermented, and we stir it up. She said you can add milk to it. So yesterday we added yogurt to it. So instead of yogurt, you can add milk or fresh milk, any kind of milk that you have. Yeah. Oh, okay. And there's only powdered milk. Oh, okay. So you need powdered milk to do Brukina. So we've stirred it, and this is how it looks like. Okay.
So this man bruswa.
So it's one night. Oh yeah. So I was asking if I don't soak my millet, can I still blend it? Yeah, or grind it? And he's saying that no, you can't grind your millet straight. You need to soak it overnight. Yeah. So yesterday we soaked ours around 11 p.m. in the evening, and at this morning they went to grind or blend it. Yeah. So it shouldn't be over soaked as well. You can't soak it for a whole day. No, if not, you can't. It won't be nice. And, so like 4 hours, 5 hours of soaking of your millet, then you do it. So now it's been like 10-15 minutes, and our jage, this is the jage, yeah, Brukina, it's not ready. So we'll take everything from. We'll take everything from it. So you need to have a proportion of the mixing of the two. So you need to have your milk should be more than the millet. So after taking them out, you need to break them to pieces so that it won't be big inside your milk. Yeah.
Yeah, I said sugar, but flavor.
Vanilla. Okay, like vanilla. Okay. So this is like essence, yeah, to give the taste of to give an extra taste to the Brukina. Now without this, what to replace with sugar? And after we want the sugar, okay. Now we're adding sugar to it. Yeah, so now we're adding a bit of water to it, yeah, to make it a bit light because it's very thick. And see, you say you do and Tom Brukina, yes Brukina. No, you're no Brukina, I'm in Kingdom. Yeah, you're no Brukina, you know, you're rich, rich eye. Brukina, why rich eye? Yeah, Oroko. Okay. Wow. So you break them into pieces, then you add them to your milk. Is there? Okay. Yeah, so maybe if you're wondering how they prepare this, today I'm bringing you live and tell it how this is prepared. Very delicious drink that I can have in the afternoon. Yeah. So after everything, we put them inside the fridge. Trust me, you love it. Yeah, so this is our Brukina, and it's not that hectic, but you only need to know how to do it and what to do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is mine, and yeah, it's about to go there. Yeah. So this is the Brukina, and yeah, when you taste it and the sugar is less, then you add more to it. But for now, we're living like this. So this is Africa. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's no ching cheese. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Is it? Oh, sorry, kill her. Okay. That guy. You don't feel like I need to add the like you feel like a different milk altogether. This Brukina, yeah? So when it comes to Ghana, this is one of the snacks, one of the drinks that we have in Ghana, especially the Zongo community. We love it. But I'm going to say, I get back to bed. Okay.
I'll be giant for fear. And then
yeah, so this is very interesting and very sweet as well, delicious, and I hope after watching this video you're able to do cooking at home. Yeah, so if this is your first time watching, can you subscribe, follow us on Facebook as well, Cooking with Sindaco. Let's meet again for Shazam Manizo.
Yeah.